I now give the floor to the distinguished representative of India. India, please, the floor is yours.
Dear Chair, we appreciate the reports under agenda items 15 and 20. India aligns itself with the view that information and communications technologies, science, culture, and development cooperation are vital enablers of sustainable development in an era of globalization and interdependence. On ICTs, India emphasizes their transformative role in bridging divides and accelerating progress on the SDGs. Our digital public infrastructure has demonstrated how inclusive, open, and interoperable systems can extend access to financial services, education, health, and agriculture, ensuring no one is left behind. The Secretary General's 2025 report underscores the urgency of addressing digital divides and empowering women, youth, and marginalized groups through digital literacy and capacity building principles that underpin India's own initiatives. On science and technology and innovation, India's investments in renewable energy, digital agriculture, and affordable health solutions exemplify how frontier technologies can reduce poverty and build resilience. As highlighted in the Secretary General's report, international cooperation and knowledge sharing are indispensable. India's South-South initiatives, including the India-UN Development Partnership Fund and ITEC, reflect our commitment to ensuring developing countries benefit equitably from innovation. On culture, India notes with appreciation the increasing recognition of culture as a driver and enabler of sustainable development. UNESCO's 2025 report affirms culture's role in resilience, climate action, and inclusive economies. India, with its rich cultural heritage and dynamic creative industries, has consistently championed the integration of culture into the global development agenda, including through programs such as the World Heritage, Sustainable Development, and Local Communities Program, in partnership with UNESCO, which integrates heritage preservation with community development, inclusive tourism, and livelihood support. Finally, on development cooperation with middle-income countries, India stresses the importance of tailored support, recognizing their unique structural challenges and their role as engines of regional and global growth. India remains committed to advancing these interlinked agendas in partnership with all member states. Thank you.